At Semgrep, I lead our sales development function. We're an application security provider, and so it's our mission to secure code securely at scale. And we continue to grow, and pipeline is very important to us. We're noticing buyers are a lot more informed these days. They tend to be doing a lot of research prior to ever wanting to, talk to a representative of a company. And what that's done, though, is it's created these like breadcrumbs, right, of activity that you want to understand. Where are people engaging with your product that might previously have been invisible to you? There's a huge pool, at least I found, seeing the data, of folks who are checking out your brand, and a lot of times you don't know it. You want to be in conversations or in rooms where, you are being spoken of. The idea is like, let's target people who are warm and not cold. It sounds simple, but it's like really hard to execute. I mean, I think SDRs are used to like having to bounce between a number of tools, and that's where you lose the efficiency, right? Like the more time you introduce like work a singular record, right? Like over time, like that's what is frustrating for a rep. You guys have put that in a nice, lovely box for me. And all I have to do is, essentially, say, hey, common room, like this is what I want to see. This is what I want to give my team access to. A common room gives that native identity resolution where it's like this holistic view of like this person's journey with our company. I think the best part too is you guys make it very easy for the reps to actually go and action the signals they see, which we want to, uncover the insight. We want to match it, segment it to the right message, and then we want to deliver it, and then rinse and repeat. Whenever we evaluate a tool, there's like two things that are really important to me, right? Like there's just the ROI of the spend, and then, like what are your reps gonna think, right? If people hate the tool, then they don't want to use it. The feedback from the SDRs was, great at time of purchase, and it, continues to be great to this day. The folks that get prospected through Common Room, it almost felt like I was opening up a new acquisition channel. We've gone from 0 activation in this area to, I think last time I checked, we had like roughly 30% of the pipeline that we source now comes from this. When I started seeing the deal sizes and like the ARR that came from like us turning on this source by way of Common Room, I was able to go to our CFO and say, hey, we're 2 months into this engagement. And by the way, like the ARR sourced is now, 2.5 times the purchase price. Short payback period, immediate ROI. We've had a great experience and we've got a lot of value, and it's really helping drive our business forward.